Assalamualaikum students. Today I'm doing coordinate geometry. Extended mathematics. Math. This is a very important topic for extended mathematics, and this is also important for AS mathematics. This topic is in AS as well as this topic is in O level. Okay, in IGCSE mathematics. Now let's do some questions. Uh, Before starting questions, I'm going to just do few things which are very important. The first thing is equation equation of straight line. We have done these things, but I'm just revising them for those students who don't have who don't know about the equation of straight line, and who don't know about the perpendicular lines, and who don't know about the midpoints. I'm just revising these things for them. Okay, look, this is straight line. This is a straight line, and its equation is always in this form. Equation of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c, or sometime we write this form also. Y minus y1 is equal to m, and x minus x1. Both forms are acceptable, and both forms are uh, giving correct answers. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you, uh, that is about this m. What is m? What is m? M, as we discussed in previous lessons, m is gradient of line. Okay, now gradient can be, we can write m as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. One more form is also there for writing the gradient of the line. That form is here. We can also write gradient as rise over run, where rise is what? Where rise is rise is y value, and if going up, then y is positive, and if going down, then y is negative. Similarly, run is x value, and if movement is toward right side, if movement is toward right side, then x will be, then x is positive, and if movement is toward left side, then x is negative. So these three forms we can use for finding the gradient of the line. One is this one is the other one is this one, and the third one is this one. Now what about C? What about C? C is your y-intercept. Now what is explanation for C? If I make y-axis and x-axis here, and there's a line, the line is touching the x-axis at this point, let's say it's 1, and that value is what? 2. So C is what? C is 2 here, and C is called y-intercept. Now one more thing I want to tell you. If this point A is here, this is x1 and y1, and that point is B here, x2 and y2. There's a midpoint here. Midpoint is, let's say, midpoint here. Midpoint is here. So midpoint is x and y. How to find midpoint? X you can find by adding x1 and x2 and dividing by 2. Y you can find by adding y1 and y2 and dividing by 2. That's midpoint. Okay. So last thing I want to tell you about the two lines. See, these two lines, they are equal lines. Okay. These two are equal lines. See, this one, this line and this line. So they're not equal, sorry, they are parallel lines. When they are parallel lines, then parallel and they are both are parallel, so they have same gradients. Like this gradient is m1 and this gradient is m2, so then m1 will be equal to m2. Now if these two lines are there are two more lines. I'm making them. There's one line here, and then there's another line here. Look at the angle between them. The angle between them is here 90 degrees. Now, so the product of their gradients, this is m1 and that is m2. So the product of the gradients will be what? m1 m1 into m2 is always equal to minus 1. That is the rule for two lines when their gradients, when they are perpendicular to each other. So when they are perpendicular to each other, their gradients will be, the product of their gradients will be what? Minus 1. Like if m1 is 1 over 2, m2 will be minus 2 over 1. Okay, so both will be reciprocal each other. reciprocal, they will be of each other. Like if one is 3 over 2, the other will be 2 over 3, but with opposite signs. The product, if one is 3 over 2, the other will be minus 2 over 3. Okay, I'm explaining it again here. I want to erase this part. Parallel lines have same gradients. See, they both will be same. The parallel lines are same gradients, and the perpendicular lines, if m1 is 5 over 2, m2 will be minus 2 over 5. And see, m1 into m2 is what, that should give you minus 1. Like m1 is what, 5 over 2, m2 is what, minus 2 over 5. So 5 is gone with 5 and 2 is gone with 2, so result is minus 1. Similarly, if m1 is 3 over 5, so m2 will be minus 5 over 3. Multiply them, you get, if you multiply them, the result will be what, the result will be, if you multiply these two gradients, then 3 over 5 with minus 5 over 3, they give you minus 1. So that is the result for two perpendicular lines. Now let's start the questions. This was, I was discussing these things again with you, so that they are if you have forgotten them, so you again know them. Okay, now let's do the question. The first question I'm doing, this is basically a practice question. This will help you in understanding and revising the concepts. The first part is, the first part says point A is given to us and point B is given to us. Find the gradient of the line A. So point A is 1 and 7. Point B is 5 and 1. That's part A I'm doing. In part A I'm doing, now first part, gradient of the line AB, M of AB. What is the formula for this? Formula for this is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Now that's up to you whether you use this one or that one. Both are giving same answers to you. Now I'm finding m. Now this is my I'm taking this y2 and that's y1. So 7 minus, this is x1 x2, sorry, x1 and y1, that is x2 and y2. Now I'm choosing this one, y1 minus y2. So 7 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 5. The result is what? 6 upon minus 4. Make it simple, please. So you get here minus 3 over 2. That is the gradient of line AB. So M is coming here. M is coming minus 3 upon 2. First part done. Now, second part says, hence or otherwise show that the line AB has equation. Yes. Equation of line AB now. Now we are finding the equation of the line AB. Okay. Equation of the line AB. Now I have told you about the equation of the line AB, that it's either y is equal to mx plus c or the other formula. I have just told you few moments earlier. Now both of them I'm using. It's up to you with whether you like the first method or you like the second method. Now students, see here, equation of the line AB. Part 2. Equation of the line AB here. I'm using first this one, y is equal to mx plus c. Now already we have the value of m. Value of m for the ABs with us. So put in the value of m here, y is equal to minus 3 over 2x plus c. How to find c? See, they say equation line AB. Line AB is here. This is point A and that is point B. You input here any point A or B. I'm putting any point like there are 2 points A and B. I'm inputting here point B. So point B has y coordinate. This is point B. His y coordinate 1 minus 3 over 2 and the x coordinate is 5 plus c. So I get here minus 15 over 2 plus c. To find c, 15 over 2 comes here, that is c. Now the result becomes what? It's becoming 17 upon 2, that's the value of c. Now what is the equation here now? Equation becomes y is equal to minus 3 over 2x plus 17 upon 2. Now I'm taking LCM here too. So minus 3x plus 17 is equal to y. Now cross product here. So 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 17. Bring 3x here. So 2y plus 3x is equal to 17. Or we can also write 3x plus 2y is equal to 17, which is the desired form. They want 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. So that's the result. Even you can see in the question, they want to give the answer in this form or show that the equation of the line is this one. So we got that thing now. It's very much clear that the equation of the line AB is 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. Now method 2. I told there that y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. You can also use this method. So look, I'm choosing. I was taking point B there. Now I'm taking point A here. Now both will be giving same answer. I'm taking point A, and the answer will be same. So point A is 7 and 1, and m is what? Minus 3 over 2. Input these values here. Y, this is, see, this is x1, that is y1. So y minus y1, y1 is the value here 1, and m is minus 3 over 2, x minus 7. So the result becomes, now I can do y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 7 over 2. So cross product here, the cross product is giving us, see, I'm doing the cross product here. So 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 1 into minus 3 and x minus 7. So the result becomes, I'm doing it again here because it's not visible with me here. It should be clearly visible. Now cross product here. So 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 1 into that thing is again minus 3 into x minus 7. So 2y minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 21. Now, okay, fine. There's a problem in this question. What is the 2x minus 2 and minus 3x plus 21? It should be coming 17. Why it's coming? It's not coming the same. You did some mistake here. What is the mistake? Oh, I took the point wrong. I took the point C. It's very clearly visible here that there is a mistake. Mistake is because of the point. I took the wrong point there. The point is not 7 1. The point is basically 1 7. So see here, the point is 1 and 7. So put the points here, point here, y minus 7 is equal to minus 3 over 2 and x minus 1. Now see here, y minus 7 is equal to minus 3 into x minus 1 over 2. So cross product here, 2 into y minus 7 is equal to 1 goes there, so minus 3 into x minus 1. So 2y minus 14 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Now 3x comes here, so 3x plus 2y and 14 goes there, it becomes 17. So see the same answer we're getting here with both the methods. Now it's up to you whether you like the first method or you like the second method. Okay, now what is the next part? Next part is part B. For part B, I will erase this working. Okay, I'm doing part B now. What is part B saying, boys and girls, students? Yes. Okay. Yes, part B. Part B says the line AB intersect the line AB intersect the line with equation. Okay. There's another line which has equation this one. Yes. At the point C, find the coordinates of C. Yes. Okay. Good. It means they are saying that the line AB is here. Let's suppose, I'm just supposing it. Okay. Line AB is here. If line AB is here and the other line is here, both the lines are intersecting each other at this point, so this point is required. This point is called point of intersection. This is just supposition. These lines are not exactly for these equations. I'm just doing making these lines just to make it clear to you what are they saying basically, what is happening here. Basically the two lines are intersecting each other and the point of intersection is here. This is point of intersection. See, this point is point of intersection and they want this point. What we do, we have two equations here. Two equations are with us here. One equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. That's equation AB. Equation AB is for line AB. This is an equation for the line AB, and the other equation is x minus 4y is equal to 8. Now this is equation 1 and that is equation number 2. Now they say that these both lines are intersecting each other at point C. Find the coordinates of C. Now just go back to y9. There you learned two methods for solving these equations and you were calling them simultaneous equations there. Simultaneous equations. And you used two methods there. One was elimination. The other one was substitution. The one which you like, you can use that method. That's up to you. I'm using here substitution. I'm using this one because this one is easy for me here. Now see here, students. Now I have from this line, from this equation I can get the value of x. Value of x becomes 4 plus 8 plus 4y. Now input this in equation number 1. Put this value of x in equation 1. Now we get here equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. So the value of x is 3 into 8 plus 4y plus 2y is equal to 17. So 24 12y plus 2y is equal to 17. 24 plus 14y is equal to 17. Now I need to erase this. Now see here, 14y is equal to 17 minus 24. Yes, the result is what? 7. 14y is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. That is the value for y. See, I'm doing here, dividing both side by 14. So we get y is equal to minus 1 over 2. Writing here, divide both side by 14. So the value of y is minus 1 over 2. Now if you use the value of y, you can get the value of x here. Value of y is minus 1 over 2, and we need the value of x now. So input this value of y in any equation here, in any one. There are two equations here. You can input this value of y in any one. I'm putting in this one, x minus 4y is equal to 8. So x minus 4, the value of y is minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 8. So x and plus 4 over 2 is equal to 8. So x is 8 minus 2 and x is 6. So the point becomes 6 and minus 1 upon 2. This is the point of intersection. Now we don't know whether this point is correct or incorrect. So we want to check this, that whether this point is correct or incorrect. How to verify? Verification. X minus 4y is equal to 8. Input this point here. So 6 minus 4 into minus 1 over 2 is equal to 8. 2 to gone. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. See, 8 is equal to 8. Put this equation, this point in the other equation, which is 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. 3x plus 2y is equal to 17. What is the value of x? It's 6 plus 2 into minus 1 over 2. This should be giving us 17. So see here, 3 6 are 18 students, and here minus 1 coming. So see, on both sides we got 17 is equal to 17. So it means the point we got is correct. Now find an equation of the line through A which is perpendicular to AB. Yes, this is also a very good question. I need to erase this part for doing this question. Find the equation of the line through A which is perpendicular to AB. I'm just making a rough diagram here. Let's say this is line AB. Okay, this line AB is here, and there is another line which is perpendicular to AB. This point is point A, this point is A, and that point is B. A is 1 and 7, and B is 1 7, B is 5 1. Now the line which is required is passing through point A and is perpendicular to AB. So see, I'm doing what here? This line is passing through point A and is perpendicular to AB. So making 90 degrees angle here. Now we have done this thing, that two lines, if two, sorry, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then m1 and m2 is equal to, it means their gradients product is equal to -1. So this m, let's say m1 is, this one is what we got m1 in the previous we got m previously. What was m? I forgot the value. Let me check it again. M is what? M is 7 minus 1 and 1 minus 5, 6 or minus 4, which is minus 3 over 2. Yes, so this is minus 3 over 2. So this gradient, this is, let's say this one is m2, this becomes reciprocal. Okay, just reciprocate the value of m1 and you will see here, this is m2, reciprocate the value of m1, which is now here 2 over 3, but with the opposite, see the opposite signs. If this is minus, that will be plus. If this is plus, that will be minus. Now verify it, please. 2 over 3 and minus 3 over 2, they give you what? They give you -1. So it means we got correct gradient for the perpendicular line. Now how to get the equation of the line? Equation of the line is now, see here. They say line is perpendicular to AB and passing through point A. So equation of the line is y is equal to 2 over 3 x plus c. Since the line is perpendicular, that's why I'm taking 2 over 3. Now how to find c? It passes through point A. What is point A? Point A is 1 and 7. So input the values here. 7 is equal to 2 over 3 into 1 plus c. So 7 minus 2 over 3 is equal to c. So 3, 21 minus 2 is equal to c. So the value for c is 19 upon 3. Now to get the equation of the line, we input this value there. Yes, equation now. Equation becomes y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 19 over 3. Now LCM is here 3. So 2x plus 19 is equal to y. 3y is equal to 2x plus 19. So it becomes 2 minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 19. That's the required answer. This is 3. So they were asking about the equation of the line which is passing through A and perpendicular to AB. So we got the equation of the line which is passing through A and perpendicular to B. That equation is this one. I hope it's clear to all. So inshallah in next video I'll be making of doing another question. Okay, Allah Hafiz.